Let's Pretend Kids!
Hey guys, welcome to Let's Pretend Kids. Today I've been working on a Nightmare Before Christmas birthday banner for Zoe. As you can see, I've already started, but I'm going to show you a little bit about what I did. So basically I start out with some scrapbook paper, some pattern paper, different colors. We're specifically trying to work with the colors from Sally's palette. So she kind of has a pinkish purplish color, this bluish color, yellow, and of course black. So what I did was I took some of the pattern paper, I cut off a very rough edge. I'm trying to make it look a little bit like fabric. And then I took a slightly bigger piece of black cardstock and I cut that same edge just a little bit bigger. There you go. And now I'm gonna glue or tape this on. You can use double-sided tape or glue stick, whatever your preference. So I got this double-sided craft tape from the Dollar Tree. So it was only $1. So I have my tape on. Now for this one, I decided not to write out the whole birthday. I'm going to do B-Day. And I'm just gonna do like a little jagged edge here to represent the dash. All right, stuck that on, and now I'm gonna come over here. Instead of the letter O, I'm going to use Jack Skellington head. Same thing, just gonna put some tape on the back. So now I need to think about attaching them. And to do that, I think I'm going to use some black string and a hole punch. I'm probably gonna double them up. So you can either lace it over or under. I think I'm actually going to go under. If you want to keep these from sliding into one another, you could always put a piece of tape on the back to hold it in place. Now on a line like this, you're going to want to start with the farthest one out. Pull the string through as much as you think you'll need to cover the line. I'm doing mine in 3 separate lines, just like they're laid out here. Nope. You can also see that I added some stitches here I had forgotten before. Thank goodness I remembered. And I just did that with a paint pen. So here's the finished product. On the back wall, we took some wrapping paper, turned it on the blank side, on the white side, and we rolled on some black paint stripes. And then for the sides, we did different colored tablecloths. This is just the beginning of what the back wall will look like. We're also going to be doing a tutorial on some Nightmare Before Christmas flowers, paper flowers, and we'll add some balloons, all kinds of good tutorials coming. Hope you liked it. If you did, give us a big thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to come back every Sunday for new videos and Monday for Mom Monday. Thank you. Bye.